Hello, fellow fans of Halloween and all vintage props and decorations. I got another little video for you, and some of the cooler things that we've shown you so far. I really like the drop skull, the pirate drop skull. Well, this one kind of falls into that category as like a really cool Halloween prop. I showed you guys the spooky phone, and that was pretty cool, but this thing is really going to be cool. This is a skull tower wall plaque, and it's button activated light, sound, and motion. Now, because the spooky phone was from 1995, and I've shown you the twinkling skull, because they're so old and the rough handling through the ears of the kids, they don't always work. So I'm hoping this is going to work, because this has been in storage for a while. What happens is his eyes blink red and the skulls move. These go up and down, and these go in and out. And this is a really cool piece. And the skull eyes light up on top too. So this thing is like really cool. You can see the skull tower wall plaque. It's pretty cool. Let's see if there's anything. Nope, there's nothing on the bottom. I'll show you guys the size of the box. Skull tower. With moving ghouls, screams, and light, I'm sure to provide a lot of fright. Nice. Same thing on the other side. Yep. So looking at the back of the box, skull tower wall plaque with button activated light, sound, and motion. When moving ghouls, screams, and light, I'm sure to provide a lot of fright. For wall or tabletop use 3 AA batteries. Remove from packaging, insert the batteries, and push the button to activate. And this is 1998. And you can see Paper Magic Group. And at the big party at the time, this was $24 in 1998. Seems like we just bought this yesterday. So let's go ahead, and we're going to put it, I'm going to put the camera on a tripod, and we're going to put batteries in, and I'm going to show you guys what it does. Alright, so let's take it out of the box. You guys can see this thing is really cool. This thing, hopefully it's working to its full function, but if this thing is going to work like it should, you guys are going to absolutely love this thing. Okay, so you can see on the back, we've got the screw that we're going to undo. It's a Phillips screwdriver, and then it kind of comes out. All right, put it in. Just like that. And let's see. So there's no on and off switch. It's got the switch that activates it on the front. And you can see it's right in his nose right here when you push it. Yeah, through the years, activation from the kids just on a constant basis really took its toll. So what it's supposed to do, you push the button, and the skulls are supposed to rock back and forth. the skulls on top are supposed to go in and out at an angle.